This is a demonstration on how to hang wire with the extender pole. To hang wire, you will need sealing wire and eye-lag screws. Adjust the pole for your particular ceiling. Take up to 10 sealing wires and bend them over at about a 90-degree angle. Insert them into the slot of the pole. Take an eye-lag and insert it into the wire head. Thread one of the wires through the eye and bend the wire down. Position the screw on the ceiling and screw it in. Pull down so that both sides of the wire remain in the head. Retwist and lower the pole.